Centrify AI review. Let's get started. So Centrify is an enterprise-grade IAM and privileged access management, also known as PAM, platform. Now part of CyberArk, it offers zero trust security features such as multi-factor authentication, or also known as MFA. They also have a single sign-on, lifecycle access, and privileged session control across on-prem and cloud environments. So it has some trust and legitimacy, so it is well established and widely adopted. It also has a strong market reputation, which is awarded across multiple countries. They also have an advantage over highlights, so they have a positive employee review as well, and they have a robust zero trust and PAM features. They also are scalable across environments, which supports on-prem, hybrid, and cloud infrastructure, and they have a responsive support and proactive updates. However, you need to watch out for the steep learning curve, so it's not that simple to learn. They also have a complex pricing and they have occasional service outage. So, what is it best for? Well, it's ideal for mid to large enterprises and highly regulated sectors. But is it worth it? Well, it depends. But Centrify is a legitimate and well-regarded platform. So it's not a scam, it is a legit website and AI website.